My name is Mike Bohnett. I lead sales and partnerships at Instawork. Instawork is a flexible staffing solution for warehouse, manufacturing, food production, and hospitality skills. We work with thousands of businesses building a labor marketplace to better connect companies with great local talent. And really at our heart, we're a tech company rebuilding how staffing works to better meet the needs of the companies that we work with.
I'm Mike Wargocki. I am the VP of Manufacturing for Sunbasket, so I run our distribution centers across the country. And we are a meal kit and meal solution provider to people by subscription. So they order meals and we send for different occasions where there's breakfast, lunch, dinner.
We first reached out to Sunbasket. We were able to get started with extra warehouse workers in 2 different locations, really in a matter of days. Those folks can call on the Insta workers that they need for the day, and these folks are trained, they're ready to work. Now, counterintuitively, I believe that we can actually lower Sunbasket's overall staffing costs.
So Instawork it's a fascinating platform. Just like Mike had said, they do actually help us reduce our labor costs in a way. We have very, very heavy Friday, Saturday, Sunday schedules. How do you balance all of that out? So the Instawork team has been just amazing for us. They have a Saturday and a Sunday team for us. The key is making sure that the quality is as high as possible, and then we put the right stuff in the box to them every single time. Because we do have an uneven workflow, it's been an interesting challenge to try to figure out how to staff appropriately. The quality we're getting out of Instawork and the quality of the team members we're able to see there, and the consistency of the fill rates. We're really happy with the way Instawork does treat their contractors and their folks working with them. Now we marrying those together into one sort of new Sunbasket family.
At Instawork, we believe that for our partners that they want more data, want to have a better insight in how they run their operations and run leaner operations to deliver those cost savings back to their customers. We are really investing in capturing better data and removing some of the friction that can happen when using an outside service like Instawork. On the flip side, we also, as Mike said earlier, quality is really important to us, and how we drive quality is by improving our worker community.
The world is moving more and more towards a virtually as far as how we interact, and the younger workforce that's where they're more comfortable. So the interaction and the way that we're able to select workers and get data back and forth almost instantaneously with the Instaworks really makes it a convenient play for us from the flexibility of our manufacturing operation, as well as working on the conversion side as well with the Instawork, so we can present an interesting opportunity and a growth path within our world that they introduction to us through Instawork.